Hello students, in this video we will discuss about find out the HCF by prime factorization method. So there are three method to find out the HCF. One is listing method, another one is prime factorization method, and another one is common division method. So prime factorization method is not discussing in your book, so only listing method and common division method are discussing in your book. So watch this video carefully to know how to find out the HCF by prime factorization method. So let's see. Question number 2, exercise 10D, question number 2. So three numbers are given here: 124, 168 and 210. So what to do? So which one is the smallest prime number which can divide 124? So 2 is the smallest prime number which can divide 124. So 2 is the divisor of 124. So if you divide this number, you will get here 6 to the 12 and 2 to the 4. Again, if you divide this number by 2, you will get here 3 to the 6 and 2 1 the 2. Now, can you find any divisor of 13 any prime divisor? You cannot find. So the process is stopped here. Now again do same way. So 2 is the smallest prime divisor of 168. So if you divide this number by 2, you will get here 8 to the 16, 4 to the 8. Again 2 is the divisor of 84. So if you divide this 84 by 2, you will get here 42. Then again divided by 2, you will get here 21. Now after 2, 3 is the prime number. So 3 can divide 21. So that will be 3 7 are 21. Now go to next 210. So if you divide this number by 2, you will get here 2 1 are 2, and because these two number comes together, so you have to put here 1 0, then 5 2 are 10. Now after 2, you have to check with prime number 3. So 3 is the divisor of 105, because if you put here 3 3 are 9 and 3 5 are 15 happen. Now again 5 is the divisor of 35, because 5 7 are 35. So you can write this 124 as 2 into 2 into 31 and 168 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 and 210 as 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So which are common here? So you can see that 2 is only common prime divisor, okay, in all of these three. So 2 is again this 2 is divisible by 2, this 2 is divisible by 2, but here you can't find any 2. So only you can find 1 2, that is the divisor of these three number, okay. So the HCF of 124, 168 and 210 is only 2. Okay, now let's see another example like this. Question number 2C. If in your exam method is mentioned, that time you have to use that method only. But if in your exam method is not mentioned, that time you can use any method among them. Okay, now question number C is given here: 96, 112 and 108. So go to the same process. So which one is the smallest prime divisor of this 96? That will be 2. If you divide this number by 2, you will get here 4 to the 8 and 8 to the 16. Again 2 is the divisor of 48. So if you divide this number by 2, you will get 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Again by 2, you will get here 12. Again this number is divisible by 2, you will get here 6. Again by 2, you will get here 3. Now take 112. So this is an even number, so this number is divisible by 2. So if you divide this number by 2, you will get here 5 to the 10 and 6 to the 12. Again this number is divisible by 2 because this is an even number. So 2 to the 4, 8 to the 16. Again divisible by 2, that will be 14 happen. Again 2 is the divisor of 14, so there will be 7 happen. Now take 108. Now 2 is the divisor of 108 also because this is an even number. So 5 to the 10 and 4 to the 8. Now again this number is divisible by 2, 2 to the 4 and 7 to the 14. Now this number is now cannot be divisible by 2 because this is an odd number. Now check next prime number with 3. So 3 is the divisor of 24. But look, 9 is also a divisor of 3 is the divisor of 27. But look, 9 is also divisor of 27, but we are not taking here 9. Why? Because 9 is not a prime number. Because there is given using prime factorization method, that's why you have to use only the prime factors. Now you have to check here 3. So 3 9 ja 27. Again 9 is divisible by 3, so there will be 3 into 3, 3 3 ja 9. Now 96 you can write like this way. How many 2 is there? 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 2, and there is 1 3. Now again there is 112 is given. Now how many 2 is there? 4 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and there is 1 7 only. Now take 108. So this will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Wait. So what is the HCF of 96, 112 and 108? These are, look at the common divisor, 2 2 2. Here is 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, but you can't find any other common number here. So the HCF of this number is only 2 into 2, so that will be 4 happen. So in this way you can solve left of the problems. Thank you everyone.